Hi, this is Gautaman, Certified Lab Associate Developer. Welcome to LVC Ready. Today topic is the third part of array operation. In that we are going to discuss the two functional which is named as array size and search index. From these two topics also we can expect at least one question from each. So what is array size? It is simply talking about how many elements are present inside one particular one-dimensional or two-dimensional array. So while seeing this constant array constant, there are six elements are there, right? So immediately the people will choose the array size is 6, but actually they have to confuse you in the CLED exam. So for that what they give, the loop is iterating for 4 times. So as I mentioned in the loop topic, when you are having n wired content, n wired value, and array index also is available or auto indexing is enabled, one means only which one is lower, that will be considered for iteration. So only this loop will iterate for 4 times. That means during the first iteration one will go and retest it, 2 will go in the second iteration, 3 will go for a third iteration, and 1 again will go for a fourth iteration. So what will happen, this functionality is satisfying or not. Here we have array index along with another tunnel is conditional tunnel is there. So you have to think about that, whether all the elements are is greater than or equal to 2, that element alone is going to be come out from the loop. Then finally it will tell the array size. So while checking the first one, no, 1 greater than or equal to 2, at the time it is not satisfying it, so it never come out of the loop. 2 greater than or equal to 2, that is a true, so it will go to the array. And again 3 greater than or equal to 2, that is also true, so that will go out. Again 1 greater than or equal to 2, so it is also getting failed, so it never come out from the loop. So totally while seeing the array, it's getting run. So we got elements only 2 and 3, one is got failed and another one also got failed. So we had only the 2 elements have been there, so that's why the array size is 2. It's the another second important topic, search 1D array. It will simply find the elements which is available in the existing array. So in this example questions, what value will be displayed in the index of element indicator after this code executed, right? So here they have given a string based array that has been given as a 1D array. In that it is searching the element which is called as a ABC. So mostly when we are using some searching operation, whether it is having individually or it is combined with some other name, everything will be listed. But in the case of LabVIEW, you have to pick exactly what is there in the particular element. Okay, so in that case none of the elements are not at all matching with the ABC, even though there is an ABC, but it is combined with some other characters, no. So it is not at all been matching with this condition. So in the search 1D array, you just go with the help window and you find it. You have to provide array and you have to put the element which you want to search, and either you want to go from the beginning or from one particular index. For example, you have 100 iterated result, but especially you want to get value from 15th index. That means you have to specify index, or else by default it will start from the beginning. So whether you want to minimize the time of execution or you want to go from the beginning, it depends on your application, you can decide it. So here it is not at all meeting it now. So what will happen, you just see -1, none of the characters are not at all matched, so that's why that index element is being as a -1, right? And the second question in the search 1D array is related to the 2017 pattern, right? So in this part, in this question, when which situation or which combination is going to provide member indicator, that boolean indicator is going to be true. Let me try with 21. You have to type it in the LD ID, and name should be typed as a LV, the name control, right? Please try to follow the lowercase uppercase. The LabVIEW will be follow strictly that cases, right? Now let me try it. So it is being a false alone when I have given the same ID as a 21, but the name is CLAD. I think that will get true. right? So how we are getting, or what logic is following, you just see there. So when I type the 21, no, that search only array is going to find the element name 21, and what was the index of that particular 21 is 1. 0th index having 20, first index is 721, second index is 22. Okay, from this it is matching with that. So index of element is 1. That will be the input for index array. In the particular index we have CLAD. Okay, that CLAD is available, and it is going to be given as input for equal comparison operator. Already we have typed name as CLAD, no, that will both will be equal. At the time alone we are getting a member boolean indicator is true. Thank you all. Please subscribe our channel. You can follow us in the name of LVCLD in Facebook and Instagram also.